Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. Hope you're having a great day. Or day of your choice. Hope the world's treating you kindly. Look at my hair. I got new hair. It's super cool and dark and pretty, and I feel like a new girl in the city. But I had to keep some traditional blonde, and we've got a deep dark purple that looks almost black, and then we mixed a few colors to give kind of a cranberry burgundy kind of color. And today we're going to do a hooded eye tutorial with the Jolie Beauty Vampyrism palette, which is fantastic. If you're not familiar with Jolie Beauty, they are a British brand in the UK, and look at this color story. It is gorgeous. It's fucking gorgeous. And we're going to use this to make a look with my new hair. Look at those colors. I've only used this palette like maybe once. Hardly have ever used this palette, so these colors are screaming to be used with this new hair. So with that, let's get started. Let's get the party started. Flippity-doo-dah, flippity-yay. My, my, what a wonderful day. Sunshine and roses and lollipops. I'm going to go into Craving with this fluffy brush and put that in the crease. Oh, it is a beautiful, cool tone. Nudie color, and it is chiseling out my crease very lightly. It is beautiful. It looks very natural. And I have a darker color here called Michael that I can use to darken up this transition, which I'm going to do now. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. Very cool. That is the beginning of a beautiful look. I'm super excited. I just got my hair done, so. And it's a good day in the neighborhood. I've had a lot of fun this week. I can't wait to have more fun with new hair. Oh, my nose is itchy. I live in the Ohio Valley, and allergies are terrible this time of year. Now I need to figure out what I want to go to. Now I've got a nice neutral base in the crease. I could go into Dawn here, but it's kind of a ready light brown because I want to do something cool, and it's hard to decide what I'm going to do. Like, I'm going to use Seduction and probably Afterlife or Coffin, but I need something. I'm gonna try Slade. Ooh, nice. Super pigmented. I'm going in lightly with it. A little bit on the crease there. When I blend it out, it looks like a magenta almost. Ooh-wee. It is pretty. super pretty. Let me go a little ham here. That looks cool. Looks cool. That blended out a little bit. Now I can go with some darker colors. Just trying to decide on what kind of brush. Such a beautiful palette. I'm gonna go into Seduction, which is a little bit darker. It's a little bit darker. I think I'm gonna blend that into Coffin. Let me go a little bit deeper into Coffin. I'm loving Coffin. Going ham with some color. Let me go back in. There we go. Got a little bit below the lash line where I wanted it. So take our handy dandy Q-tip. Blend that out a little bit. I did a little edging there. Now I'm going to go with the same brush into Afterlife, which is much darker. I went pretty ham with it. Oh yeah. My eyes look a little crazy. Will I be able to save this look? I don't know. Put a little concealer under there. That just made it worse. See, a little foundation brush will help. That helps some. Now I've got some Oy vey. Oy vey. Now I need a blending brush. To make some sense of all this. I need to get away any fallout. Blending, blending, blending. I think I might need a touch of black. There we go. Well, I'm not done yet. I'm going to now, I want to go in here to Lestat and do a sharp white, or I could go into transition, a shimmery beige, but I think I'm going to go into Lestat. That's crazy. And just blend that from the inside corner across the lid into the other. There we go. Woo woo, that's looking cool. That looks pretty cool. I'm loving that. I'm still thinking about going, I'm going to go into shadows with this black. And just deepen that outside corner a little bit. Cool. Cool. That's it. That is the winner. Vampyrism. It's a thing. It's a beautiful thing. And we're going to finish up the look with some eyeliner. We'll steal this Slay All Day eyeliner in black. This is exciting. I want to be very careful so I don't take out a lot of the white with the black eyeliner. That looks super cute. Now some superhero mascara from It Cosmetics. And this is a great little mascara. That's looking smoky and sensual and beautiful. And I'm gonna go into one of my favorite lips, which is number 50 Voyager from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. Little blot. And we look cute. I'm loving it. I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.